Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden.
Welcome back to my channel. Today is video another Lightroom tutorial and Lightroom preset giveaway. Here are example photos, before and after using this tutorial. So let's start this tutorial. At first import your photo in Lightroom. Then select a picture. First go to the light panel. For this photo, I'll adjust the exposure to -0.10, contrast to 8, highlight to -70, shadows to 51, whites to -29, and blacks to -27. Now go to the curve tone and follow the step. And click Done. Now go to the color panel. Adjust temp data to 10. And tint data 8. Vibrance to -10. Saturation to 4. Now go to the Mix tool. Go to red color, and adjust the hue to -38. And luminance to 12. Go to orange color. Adjust the hue to -4. Saturation to -10. And luminance to 8. Go to yellow color. Adjust the hue -100. Saturation to 24. And luminance to -12. Go to green color. Adjust the hue -75. Saturation to -100. And luminance to 12. Go to aqua color. Adjust the hue to -83. Saturation to -100. And luminance to -21. Go to blue color. Adjust hue to -47. Saturation to -100. And luminance to -10. Go to purple color. Saturation to -52. Lastly go to magenta color. Adjust saturation to -82. And click Done. Now go to Effect panel. And clarity to 8. Dehaze to 6. Vignette to -16. Midpoint to 30. feather to 91. Then now go to the split tone. Go to shadows. Adjust the hue to 337. And saturation to 5. And click Done. Then now go to Details. Adjust the sharpening to 16. Noise reduction to 13. Contrast to 6. Color noise reduction to 10. Finally, now we are done. Now click on the share icon and save to device. So now I can apply this preset other photos.